limited match. 4 bowlers can be used in this tournament. The first match underarm tournament played in Luna Park. This is a local game of Mangalore. Ronnie and Don are the opening batsmen from Benna side, and zero side at to set the field. Attacking position is in point fielding. Praveen and Derek. Meanwhile, fielding have been set all over the corner. Vijesh is going to. Arun Nathania is assisting with the keeping. He's a keeper. Now another Arun is setting the field all over the corner. Is guiding the fielders. Now almost all have been settled. Now Vinu left arm over the wicket. Going to ball to Don. Don is the right hand batsman once again. Good defensive shot to the offside. Only single have been registered to the board. 1 run have been taken. Good shot to the offside. Now Ronnie is taking the strike. Very good batting once again. Right arm over the wicket. Left arm over the wicket. Beg your pardon. Crossing the umpire. Taking without a step. Only a single step bowler. Vinu from the bowling mark once again. Left arm. Beautiful shot. Beautifully played by Ronnie. Single have been taken. Not taking any risk. 2 balls have been bowled. 2 runs have been taken without loss. Good moving to Benna. Once again, left and right hand combination from Benna's side. Once again, left arm over the wicket, crossing the umpire Raja. Once again, completely beaten. Good ball, says the umpire. Very good line and length of bowling by Vinu. Once again, completely beaten. Johnny is completely beaten this time. Once again, beautiful shot to the offside. Single cannot be avoided. Single is the result of the 4th delivery. 3 runs have been registered. Now, Ronnie is coming deeply on the boundary line region. Ronnie is the batsman. Right and left hand combination once again. Good ball, says the umpire. Last ball to go. 3 runs have been scored. Good position. Zeros have been happy with the pace bowler Vinu. Very good shot. Crossing the field. What's that? Very good shot. Ronnie have been pushed out. Ronnie is coming back to the pavilion. Well played, Ronnie. But unfortunately, Ronnie have taken a beautiful catch. 3 runs, 1 wicket. Ronnie is such an attacking batsman this time, taking the advantage of the bowler. It was an attacking shot, nevertheless. Straight to the fielder. Single is the result. 5 runs on the board. After 7 balls have been completed for the last 1 wicket. 1 over, 1 ball have been completed. Once again, could be a wideish delivery. Yes, says umpire. Waiting for the time. Yes, says umpire. Vijesh is losing the rhythm in his bowling. 6 runs on the board. For the loss of 1 wicket. 1 ball have been completed. Once again, good shot to the leg side. Could be a 4 or not. 6 says the umpire. What a attacking shot by Dhoni. 12 on the board. After 2 balls have been completed, taking the total advantage of the bowler. Severely punished by the bowler. Dhoni. This is the combination between Dhoni and Prakash. Once again. Could be another shot. What's that? 6 says umpire once again. Dhoni is such an attacking batsman. This time 18 on the board. 3 balls have been completed. 3 balls have been completed. 18 on the board. After Vinu has been bowled beautifully this time. Dhoni, I told you earlier, this is the combination between Dhoni and Pakru. They have been Such an attacking batsman from the side of Benatin. Once again, fourth ball of the innings. Once again, straight to the fielder. What's that? Beautifully fielded by Praveen. No result. 18 on the board. 2 balls left of this over. Once again. What a good line and length of bowling. Completely beaten. Getting the rhythm in his bowling. Where the last ball is left. We have to see. Once again, completely beaten. Completely beaten. Pakku is not at all interested to run that ball. But over have been completed. 19 on the board. For the loss of 1 wicket. But he's doing well behind the wicket. This time once again. Once again straight to the fielder. Unfortunately could be a chance of run out. No. Arun is not at all interested to take that wicket. 2 balls have been completed. 22 on the board. 3 balls left of this over. 22. Again, once again from the bowling mark. Arun is the bowler. Once again, could be a 6 or not? Straight to the fielder. Good shot, but unfortunately, Dhoni have been batted well. 2 balls left. 2 wickets have been fallen. 22, 2. 22 for the loss of 2 wickets. Dhoni have been batted excellently, but unfortunately he has been went for finishing the ball. Well done, Dhoni. Now to replace Dhoni, Pascu is the batsman. 22, 2 balls have been left. Well done, Arun. Such a rhythm in his once again. Right arm round the wicket this time to Pascu. Completely beaten this time. Good ball, says the umpire. 1 ball remaining. 22 for the loss of 2 wickets. Once again from the bowling mark. Good shot straight to the fielder. Over have been completed. 23 on the board for the loss of 2 wickets. Last over left. 23 on the board. What a match indeed. 6 ball left.
डेरिक रवರಿಗೆ ಕೊನೆಯ ಓವರ್ನ ಚಾಲ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿ ಬಂದು ಎಸೆತಂತ ಚೆಂಡು ಡೈರಿಕ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಎಸೆತ ತಟ್ಟಿಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಆಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಆದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಫಲತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡನೇ ಎಸೆತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ರೋಷನ್ ಪದ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಡೈರಿಕ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ಶಿಖರದ ಅಂಚಿನಿಂದ ಓಡಿ ಬಂದು ಎಸೆತಂತ ಚೆಂಡು ಫುಲ್ಟಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇತನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡೈರಿಕ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ ಸ್ಥಗಿತ 22. ಡೈರಿಕ್ ಅವರು ತಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಆಡುವಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಇತನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ 1 ಅಂಕೆಯ ಹೆಚ್ಚಳ. ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಗೂಟರಕ್ಷಕ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ರವರು, ಅಫ್ಸಲ್ ರವರು, ಅರುಣ್ ರವರು, ಬದ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಅರುಣ್ ರವರಿಗೆ 3 ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 11 ರನ್ನುಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ತನ್ನದೇ ಗೂಟ ರಕ್ಷಕರು ಕೈ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎರಡು ಬಾಲುಗಳಿಗೆ 2 ಎಸೆತಗಳ ಮುಂದೆ 10 ರನ್ನುಗಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವರು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕಾಯ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. 2 ಎಸೆತಗಳು. ಈತನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
बॉल मिळला
Last ball to go. Mr. Roshan. Raniero. This is the last ball of the inning. We have to see the last ball of this over. Could be a 6, could be a dot ball. Depends on the batsman and the bowler. ತನ್ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪಾದ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಓಡಿ ಬಂದು ಎಸೆದಂತ ಚೆಂಡು ಅಗಲವಾದ ಎಸೆತ ಎಂದು ಹದ್ದಿನ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ತೀರ್ಮಾನಕಾರರು ರಾಜು ಜರುದಲೆಂ ಇವರಿಂದ ಪಾದ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ 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 ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಳ. ತನ್ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಗೂಟ ರಕ್ಷಕರು ಗಲಿಬಿಲಿಗಂಡಂತ ಅಗಲವಾದ ಎಸೆತ ಎಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಕರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಂಡದ ಮೊತ್ತ 27. ಒಂದು 6 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ 100 ಶೆಕೆಲ್ ರಾಘು ಅವರಿಂದ. ಯಾರು ನಂಬೇಡಿ ಇವನಿಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಅಗಲವಾದ ಎಸೆತ. ಅರುಣ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 6ಗೆ 100 ಶೆಕೆಲ್ ನವೀನ್ ಹೈಪ್ ಅವರಿಂದ. ಬಾದ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಕೊನೆಯ ಶತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅರುಣ್ ರವರು ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ 6 ಅಂತ ಘೋಷಣೆ. ಗಿಳಸ್ರವರಿಗೆ 100 ಶೆಕೆಲ್ 100 ಶೆಕೆಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನವೀನ್. ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಹೊಡೆತ. ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ದಿನೇಶ್ ತಂಡ ವಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಿನೇಶ್ ತಂಡ ವಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಘೋಷಣೆ. ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ 100 ಶೆಕೆಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲ ರೀ, 100 ಶೆಕೆಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲ
बरो बॉल तो त्याच्यात कनेक्ट झाला वर पिच बॉल आता
ಇತರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬೆನ್ನಟ್ ತಂಡ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಆರಿ ದುಕಾನ್ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಇದು